SHENGYU Sanitary Ware was established in 2004 and located in XUANCHENG City, Anhui Province. And now we have strong manufacturing capacity and globally leading scale economies. We are a Chinese manufacturer specializing in acrylic bathtub, soaking bathtub, massage bathtub, freestanding bathtub and shower base. With ISO 9001 certificate, we can customize unique products according to customers' special requirements. We can create the bathtubs you desire based on ergonomic features and novel designs. During last 15 years, we have hundreds of customers from all over the world. In addition, we also have our mainly OEM clients from Europe and American market. By the way, we have 3 sanitary wares production lines and more than 200 employees, and export more than 40 countries with our bathroom products. The advanced bathtub production line can produce 400,000 bathtubs every year. Our bathtubs is using pure acrylic sheet, stainless steel frame and choose DXD pump which with CEUL certificate. All functional bathtubs must pass 24 hours water test without leaking. Then finish the package. We believes that quality is the lifeline of a manufacturer, and therefore we have make quality first since its very inception. We will keep improving our designs and quality, helping all of our clients to finish the sourcing and marketing much easier.